Hi, I'm Abby Lou. I'm from Kansas City, Missouri. I study emergency and disaster management here at Northwest. I kind of tripped and fell into emergency and disaster management, and I loved it. I took one class and it was all scenario-based. My favorite class in emergency and disaster management would be Principles of Humanitarian Relief. From first day to the last day in the spring semester, you're in scenario as if you're in another country doing humanitarian relief. I thought it was so cool to see, do the class and then see the background of the class too. That was super neat. It's different when you learn it in a classroom and you sit there and read and write, and then when you go out and put your skills to the test, then you know you actually can do it, and you can prove to people you actually can do it because you've done it. I think the hands-on experience especially, that is something you can't get anywhere else.